What comes in our fence extension DIY kits? In our fence extension kit, it comes with 1 top rail or 2 rails for Colorbond sheet infills, insert or 1 Colorbond sheet. You can choose standard trim deck or new style zigzag. 2 post extensions, 1 bag of colored screws. Now let's see how to install Fencing Sydney's Colorbond Fence Height Extension DIY kits. Let's start with the louver insert. Step 1. Remove Tech screws connecting top rail to fence post. Step 2. Inserting the post extensions. Simply slot the fence extension posts over the current fence posts. Step 3. Adding the fence insert. Insert the panel between the extension posts. We offer 4 fence extension insert types, and this is the louver insert. We have 600 mm and 300 mm. Next is the horizontal slat insert. We have 300 mm slat insert and 600 mm slat insert. And we have lattice insert in 600 mm and 300 mm. Lastly, we offer Colorbond sheet extension, which comes with the bottom rail. 1 sheet is supplied per panel, so cut the Colorbond sheet to 300 mm or 600 mm. You need to add the bottom rail before adding the Colorbond extension sheet. Then add the 3 pieces to each panel. Step 4. Adding the top rail. Align and insert the top rail to the top of the panel and extension post. Step 5. Adding screws to the connecting fencing components. As well as Colorbond sheets, louver, and slats, we need to add screws according to these positions. Follow this tech screw drill to find the best positions to screw. Can screw both sides of the fence and each end of the panel. Additionally, lattice inserts require more screws in the pre-drilled holes at the bottom section. Finally, step 6. Stand back and take photos and email them all to fencingsydney@gmail.com. Visit www.fencing.au.